In this video, I will share with you the top 5 PCs for streaming and gaming in 2024. The year is 2024, and the PC gaming landscape is hotter than ever. With cutting-edge hardware pushing the boundaries of visuals and performance, choosing the right rig can feel like navigating a minefield. Worry not, fellow adventurers, for I've braved the tech trenches and emerged with the top 5 PCs ready to conquer both streaming and gaming in 2024. Let's dive in. Number 1. The PowerHouse, Alienware Aurora R16. Alienware roars again with the Aurora R16, a pre-built beast brimming with raw power. Its 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14700K processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU combo pulverize demanding AAA titles at ultra settings, while 32GB of DDR5 RAM keeps everything running smooth as butter. Plus, its sleek, customizable chassis screams gamer cave perfection. My experience? This rig effortlessly handled everything I threw at it, from streaming Cyberpunk 2077 with flawless ray tracing to conquering Elden Ring's bosses without a single frame drop. However, at $3,500, it's a hefty investment. Number 2. The Balanced Warrior, NZXT BLD Kit. Craving a customizable experience without breaking the bank? NZXT's BLD Kit empowers you to build your dream PC within your budget. I opted for a Ryzen 7 7800X CPU and RTX 4070 GPU combo, striking the perfect balance between high-end performance and affordability. 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a speedy 1TB SSD rounded out the build. What struck me was the ease of assembly. Even a first-time builder like me could create a gaming powerhouse in less than an hour. For around $2,500, this BLD kit delivers exceptional value and the satisfaction of building your rig. Number 3. The Compact King, Asus ROG Strix G22CH. Space-constrained gamers rejoice. The Asus ROG Strix G22CH packs a punch despite its mini ITX form factor. Its Intel Core i7-14700 and RTX 4060 combination tackles most games at high settings with ease, while its efficient cooling system keeps things quiet under pressure. The RGB-lit chassis oozes style, and the built-in Wi-Fi makes connecting a breeze. I was surprised by how well this tiny titan handled intensive tasks, easily streaming Fortnite while editing gameplay highlights. At $1,800, it's a budget-friendly beast for compact living spaces. Number 4. The all-in-one ace, Apple iMac M2. Number 5. The Budget Slayer, HP Victus 15L. Not everyone can afford top-tier hardware. Enter the HP Victus 15L, a pre-built warrior, ready to slay your gaming goals on a budget. Its Intel Core i5-13600K and RTX 3060 combo punches above its weight, delivering solid 1080p performance at high settings. While not ideal for streaming demanding titles, it runs esports games and older AAA titles like a dream. Plus, its accessible price tag of around $1,200 makes it perfect for entry-level gamers, students, or casual players. Don't forget the supporting cast. Up your game with a comfortable gaming chair like the Secret Lab Titan Evo 2022, a responsive keyboard like the Logitech G915 TKL, and a precise mouse like the Razer Viper Ultimate.